The entire terrorism is based on only one thing, that you believe in our faith, otherwise we kill you. Showing any kind of mercy, even acknowledging who kills innocent people of a sovereign nation itself is part of terrorism. I personally believe that the biggest threat today to the world is intellectual terrorism. A lot of American students who go to universities, Ivy League universities, and these campuses, Oxford, Cambridge, I have seen most of them standing up during CAA, during Article 370's abrogation, and even recently during the farmers' protest to stand with the enemies of India, pro-terrorism people, pro-Khalistan people, all the divisive forces. The universities in the West teach students to support these people. And that's exactly what the world is suffering with today. All the great philosophy of